All right, take off your coat.
I got an idea where I should put it. No, I can't drive like that. What should I do?
Well, give it to me, right over to me. I'll take it. I'll get it. I'll get it.
My wheel's on it.
Back it up. Let me push it back. Okay, go ahead.
Starting from school up two flat turns. 6 on road. Dad,
What?
something wrong with this thing.
What's wrong with
Yes,
it?
it's crooked.
What's crooked? Oh, when it fell?
No, it's like this.
All right, let me fix it.
Like, when I do it like
What's
this,
wrong with it?
it's bending this way.
Well, you have to go faster. You're not supposed to rely on those other 2 wheels. You're supposed to ride so it goes straight. The faster you go, the less. Go faster. Watch what happens. Go faster. The bike stands up straight. Go faster. See? Don't turn. Just go straight. Faster. Okay, see what happens?
What?
The bike goes straight and it gets off those 2 back wheels. Silvia, come over here. Look at this. She's always getting herself into a place where she doesn't belong. And I think she knows how to get back, though, from last time. There she goes. What are you doing? Huh?
Hi, how you doing? That what?
What?
I heard something banging in the sewer.
What do you think it is?
Ninja turtle. Probably their wheels.
Maybe it's the water hitting up against the walls of the sewer.
It wasn't hitting up there. I looked down and then I looked. I think.
Maybe I can hear too.
But I said it was just ringing before. Ninjas! Ninja turtles! I can't hear them, but... Hello? Anybody down there? Probably not, but I heard them.
Fix your hat. I can't see your face. That's better.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles! Donatello, Michelangelo, Leonardo, Raphael, where are you?
Oh.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja 10 and a half shell, Turtle Power. I wonder what this place is about. Doesn't matter. Come on. Let's go get in our big. Let's go get in our ninja car. Let's wish Shredder's house. You can feel Leonardo. Hey, oh, oh, ah, ah. Ninja dog, that. Know what his name is?
What?
Well, her name is. Let's see. Ew, get that out of your mouth, Ninja dog. Her name is Midnight. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let's do that. That's the next car. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Turtle Power. Hey! Midnight. Come on. Oh boy. My dog never goes. Come on. Midnight. Come on. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Turtle Power. Let's go pick up April. Yeah, good idea. She's coming with me, PJ. Uh-huh. Yeah, like on that movie. PJ, dude. Whoa. Hey, we begin with pizza. Good idea, Michelangelo, but I'm taking a duty break. I'm gonna go pick up her. Put on your costume. We all need work. Hi, my seat equals off from here. Right down here. Thanks. Come on, Midnight. Let me put you in your car. Well, hi, April. This came to pick you up. Here's Midnight again. We got good. Yummy. Isn't she cute? She's got an ear dog, but she looks like a turtle. A couple more years. Midnight, get over here. Don't go in the yard. Well, we're gonna go run around in the yard. Come on, April. Whoa! Wait, here you. Oh. Come on, Midnight. Let's go. Ah! Midnight. Midnight. Oh! He's chewing the grass.
Signing off. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, honey.